Hello, my greetings to Denmark and to our great friends in Mover. Alan, this video it's on your request, so I will show you a few of those items you were interested in. First of all, this is how our unit looks like when it's mounted on a wall. Quick explanation to anybody who cares. This opening is the suction of the waste air from the house. This is the waste air out of the house. From the other side we have a fresh air in to the house, and this is the fresh air from outside. Okay. Now regarding to the drainage. Okay, I'll go down on my knees. The drainage, it's from the bottom of the unit. It's 16 millimeter in diameter, and it is 25 centimeters from the back of the unit. Okay, and the exact location, if you want to know, it's 15 from the right side of the unit. 15 centimeters from the right, 25 from the back. That's to the center of the drainage canal. I will explain to you now the antifreeze protection as you are interested in. So we're gonna go here very quick. Please go. All right, and this is some of our development going on here. You see the unit in three different stages. In the first one, it's just a empty shell, both sides. It's basically bottom and the top are made out of EPP. Okay, so it's expanded polypropylene. It's fantastic. It's a great sound absorbing material as well, and it's phenomenal heat insulation, so there is no heat bridges anywhere in the unit. Now I'm gonna explain to you how it's possible that we don't have any freezing even in very deep freezing temperatures. We have tried this unit up to minus 33 degrees in Holland 2 months ago in a lab, and basically the reason why it never freezes, it's very simple. We're not trying to reinvent the wheel or coming up with some revolutionary approach. Even though the unit is revolutionary, we are using very well proven technology actually from the 50s. Okay, what is so revolutionary? It's our ability to change which channels are being used for the travel of the air, and we have complete control under the process of moisture recovery this way. So let me go very slowly and explain to you the principle of why it never freezes. You have a cold air from outside coming this direction, okay, through this channel. It is divided. It either enters our unit from this side or enters our unit, the heat exchanger, from this side. Okay? Which side it enters, it's determined by our control system. So you have air traveling from outside and air traveling from inside. Now I'm going to grab one very quickly. This is a sample. Oh, alright, I apologize. So this is actually inside. Okay, I already demonstrated to somebody, so it's turned up. But what we are actually causing, it's air traveling from outside, and on the other side, it's air traveling from the inside of the unit. Those two streams of air are separated by a wall only 53 micron thick. So the heat transfer is absolutely enormous. What happens when you have air from inside? It condensates and it starts to freeze. We have the ability to switch these flaps and open the other side. And all of a sudden, instead of fresh air from outside coming in this direction, it switched and it coming in this channel. And warm air from inside, it's coming in this channel. So they switch positions. And of course, as we are raising the temperature of the outside air, it's sharply lowering its relative humidity. So all of a sudden we have a very dry air of almost the same temperature as a room temperature, traveling through the deposits of the ice, which has been deposited over here, absorbing all of the moisture and delivering it back where it belongs. While the hot or the warm air from the inside, it's slowly melting the ice deposits on the other side. So while this process is going on simultaneously, it is virtually and physically impossible to freeze the units, even under very extreme outside conditions. And that's why these units are being installed in Alaska and in Canada and Norway also. So you don't need a preheater, you still have absolutely unbeatable heat recovery rate, the transfer rate, and unit won't freeze. And you don't dehumidify excessively the interior. Sometimes people ask, oh, what about the, isn't that some kind of contamination? No, it's not. It's distilled water. It's basically a deposit of water molecule. Okay, that's what condense. No smell, no dirt, nothing like that. That keep exiting the unit in vapor form. That's about it. So hopefully this is gonna help. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thank you.